In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to image in Webflow. Quick tutorial. Let's start from your Webflow account. Head to your Sites area, then open the dashboard for the project you want to work on. From there, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. This puts you right inside your layout so you can see the page and elements you're about to edit. Once you're in the designer, navigate to the page and section where you want the clickable image. If the image is already on the canvas, select it so it's highlighted. If you don't have an image yet, add one. Open the Add panel, drag an image element onto the canvas, and drop it in the right spot so it fits your layout. With the image element selected, choose your visual. Click Choose Image to open the Asset Manager. Here you can pick an existing asset or upload a new file from your computer. Aim for a well-optimized image to keep your site fast, and give it a descriptive file name to help with organization. Now, make the image clickable. With the image still selected, open the Element Settings panel. Look for the link settings for the image. You can link to a full URL, an internal page, a page section, or even an email or phone link if that suits your design. If you're linking to another website, paste the full URL, including the HTTPS. For internal pages, choose the page from the list so you don't worry about typos. If you want the link to open in a new tab, toggle that option on here. While you're in Settings, add meaningful alt text. This short description helps with accessibility and gives search engines context about the image. Keep it concise and relevant, like company logo linking to homepage, or product photo linking to product details. Take a quick look at the spacing and hover behavior. If you want a visual cue that the image is clickable, consider a slight hover effect using styles. Something like a subtle scale or opacity change can make the interaction clearer without distracting from the design. Use Preview to test the link. Click the image and confirm it goes exactly where you expect. If something isn't right, jump back to Settings and adjust the link type or destination. When everything feels good, you're done. Your image now doubles as a clear, accessible link that fits neatly into your Webflow layout. That's it. You opened your project, placed or selected an image, chose the asset, added the link in Settings, and verified it works. Follow this flow anytime you need a clean